But this is the Nerrad Tools Tapex kit, 8-piece touch set. Have this little red handle here. This is for those times when access is not a problem. If it's easy to get in and you don't need extension. That's for the extension, but I don't really need it. You're onto the spino. You won't lose it because it will sit on that bottom ledge there. Then after that, you've got your monoblocks. Now, with the Tapex, there's loads of different ways this kit can go together. It just depends on how easy it is to get to the tap you need to change. So it could be something as simple as that. You know, angle there, not a problem. Like, change many tabs just in a short space of time.